Introduce highlight features and quick overview of FARYODI 120W 7000PA high-power portable handheld vacuum wet and dry use cordless vacuum cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Use the car vacuum to save your time and money to get professional cleaning results every time. It can be used to clean car interiors, stairs, kitchens, and hard-to-reach corners. No more using extension cables to clean your car and no need to charge it repeatedly while cleaning. Charge it at home or in your car easily and use it for 22 to 25 minutes without connecting it to an electricity power. 120 watts powerful motor, RPM up to 30,000 round per minute. The car vacuum provides strong suction to clear your car of dust, hair, and other debris easily. Durable use in both wet and dry conditions, it can easily clean spilled water and other liquids. High-density HEPA filter is detachable and washable, which improving filtration effect, which makes the car vacuum cleaner more durable and easier to clean. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.